In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Wix website description on Google search. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to log into your Wix dashboard right here. Then, just make sure you're at the home section, then click on Edit Site to pull up the Wix website editor. In here, we're just going to look for the Pages and Menu option on the left side of the screen. Then, on the relevant page, we're going to click on the three dots to open SEO Basics. So for example, I am going to change the website description of my homepage on Google search. So go ahead and click on SEO Basics. And under the SEO Basics tab, you're going to find the meta description right here. So just type in your meta description to change how the description appears on Google search. So for example, I have here a randomly typed meta description. Once that's done, just go ahead and close it. Click on Save. Then make sure to publish your page so that the changes will reflect. Now we're going to double check that by opening the Pages and Menu again. The three dots under Home, then click on SEO Basics. And as you can see, the meta description is saved. And that's about it. That's how you change your Wix website description on Google search. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.